Welcome to my review of the GL-iNet Comet. This is a remote KVM. Now this was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So we'll take a look at the boxes and the box contents first of all, and then I'll explain the functionality of this product. So what we've got here is like a combination kit. You can buy these separately. This is the Comet, the model number is GL-RM1, and this is an accessory that you can buy separately. This is the GL-ATXPC. It's an ATX power control board. So this is a useful addition to the Comet. It says on the back here, this has got a USB-A to Type-C cable, 9-pin wire set, screw set and ATX bracket set. So this is just like an add-on product that you can use with the Comet. Now the Comet itself comes in this little box here. You can see the model number, GL-RM1. This will allow support of up to 2K 60 frames per second resolution on your connected monitor. Remote services, so you can actually control your devices that are connected to this remotely. It's got gigabit Ethernet and also audio support as well. Really nice packaging. Inside the box we obviously get the Comet itself. We get a sort of quick start guide. It's going to get you up and running nice and quickly. We also get a little support card as well. We get an HDMI cable inside the box. We get a USB-A to USB-C cable. We get an Ethernet cable, and then we also get a USB-C cable. And here we got the product itself. Really nice product, very well made. We've got this metal casing and all of the connections around the side. On here we've got a reset button on this side here, and then we've got the various connections on this side. So we've got USB 2, which allows for external extension, and that's for enabling connection to something like a finger switch. Then we've got HDMI, which captures the video signal, and then we've also got USB-C, which is for simulating the keyboard and mouse signal input to the controlling device. Then if we take a look on this side here, we have got the power port. So this is for powering the device. And then we've also got the Ethernet port, the RJ45, and that's for connecting obviously to your router with internet access. Now what this allows you to do is to control your connected computer remotely, which is very useful indeed. It's a really nice compact product, superbly built, and if you're looking for that sort of functionality, I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you want to extend the functionality of this is a bit too technical for myself, but if you do want to extend the functionality, then you've got this ATX power control board as well. Links to these are down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please do hit like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe. And I'll see you in another one very soon.